tomorrow's looking like a fairly decent day, but the rest of the week, there's rain on the way.
I think we'll have more sunshine tomorrow, so tomorrow's actually going to feel better. Late March, the sun angle's getting higher, but today we had a lot of clouds around, even a breeze out there, so temperatures are going to be similar to what we saw today, but, you know, it is what it is. It's March, right? We're gaining on it. We're gaining on those warmer temperatures if that's the direction you want to go in. I know some people are still trying to get some spring skiing. I mean, it gets quiet up on the slopes, and lack of interest kind of makes the ski resorts close this time of year. Anyway, temperature in Caribou, 33 degrees. Greenville is down to 28 degrees. So we're seeing some cool temperatures, especially where we're lacking cloud cover. 27 in Rangeley, Bar Harbor 37, Calais at 30, Wiscasset 37, Portland 36, a little bit cooler as you head into Sanford, Bangor at 38 degrees. So those are the temperatures. Out towards our northwest over central Canada, we get some really, really cold air banking up there, but a little piece of this is actually going to move into our area by Thursday. We'll have an Arctic boundary moving through Wednesday night into Thursday. We'll talk about that in a second, but that's the preview of what we can expect. The temperatures won't be that cold. They'll modify a little bit as that air moves towards the east, but will be chilly on Thursday. Winds out of the northwest, they're light right now, about 5 to 10 miles per hour, so we'll see some temperatures dropping pretty good once we clear those clouds from the sky. Right now, nothing really going on over our area. We have a trough of low pressure that moved through. That's left us with some instability left over, but things are going to start to dry up as a wedge of high pressure moves in from the west overnight tonight. So we do have a couple of snow showers moving through the area, Millinocket. You may see some down by Belfast, even Bar Harbor. You might see a couple of snow showers, flurries moving through, but really nothing going to add up too much right now. And I think for the most part, we'll start to see things drying out as we go through the course of the night. So watch those temperatures overnight, find your favorite spot, and you'll see where you'll be by tomorrow morning as you're waking up. Mostly in the upper 20s, lower 30s along the coastline, lower to mid 20s as you head inland, but the sun will be out. So we'll warm things up pretty quickly as we go through the course of the afternoon. A couple of pop-up clouds here and there, but for the most part, it's going to be a mostly sunny day. Along the coastline, you may have a couple of sea breezes developing, so it might be just a little cooler along the immediate coastline, but once you get inland, temperatures will be in the mid to upper 40s, a little bit cooler out towards our north. But as we look further towards the west, by tomorrow evening, you'll watch that cold front. Look at that, just showing up nicely on our futurecast, and that could bring some snow squall activity through New Hampshire, and then by 11 o'clock tomorrow night, we'll start to watch that moving in. By 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, it moves quickly through the area. Could have a couple of coatings, perhaps an inch here or there as that system moves through, and then behind it we'll have gusty winds. It'll be chilly, temperatures dropping into the 20s and into the teens. So we're going to take a quick look at the temperatures on Thursday. Mostly in the 30s, mid 30s along the coastline, 20s further north. But you know what, it's going to feel a lot colder than that with those winds. We'll see sunny skies. You could have a couple of snow showers around, but those winds are going to be gusting 30, 40 miles per hour. That's going to make it feel more like the 20s and teens for high temperatures on Thursday. But it's brief. It's only here for one day. It'll be chilly again on Friday with temperatures in the 40s as we take a look at the future. Friday with high pressure to our south. It's still cold, and we're watching this system that will be ejecting from the west. That'll be moving into New England. And as it does so, the overrunning precipitation will be hitting colder air. So it's going to start off as snow Friday night through probably about midnight, and then we'll watch that warmer air really surging into the area, changing all that snow to rain quickly by Saturday, and we're left with a breezy and a kind of a mild day as we go through your Saturday. So the first half of the weekend is looking wet, and that's how things are looking right now. But the second half doesn't look too bad. I think we'll salvage the weekend. Seas about 2 feet tomorrow. Water temperatures starting to creep back up. Southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. No advisories out on the waters tomorrow. Here's your 7-day forecast. And again, we get a couple of snowflakes to go through overnight tonight. Then we get that squall line moving through. If you are out and about late tomorrow night, just be aware of that. That could reduce visibilities, especially as you go through about 2 o'clock in the morning in the Portland area, and then a little bit closer to sunrise as you go towards down east. And then next, as we head into the weekend, looks like we're going to have some rain, some wind. Temperatures will be mild, but unfortunately we're dealing with rain. So we're not going to really be able to enjoy it the way we'd like to.
Yeah, lazy weekend ahead, but enjoy the sun tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thanks, David.
Thank you.